Welcome to Dr. S.S. Rajarashmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS Valley. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. So today, this topic is about strategic management functions. So, strategic management functions, a successful businessman have a clear knowledge of their identity and goal. The first priority of any strategic management team is to define the organization's identify by the defining the market, and it is fit with the specific value and deliver to the customers. This is specific and primary goal of any strategic management. This stage usually comprises the writing the organizations, and it is a mission statement. So next is about the brand positioning. The company's strong market position and the brand's strength ensures the wisdom brand recognitions. Continuously maintaining and promoting and protecting brand position is a vital component of the strategic management. This involves ensuring that the brand is reflected in the strategy as well as in the internal and external operations. And the next is long-term goal formulations. This requires communicating organization in day-to-day activities as well as a long-term goals on the way beyond the firm. Further, they can move on to the plans and they can reach their future expansions based on the predicted and action taken. Market and product analysis, maintaining the market share and outperforming the competitions, and continuous innovation for any firm seeking to expand the strategic management in response to identify the unstocked items and markets that a firm should examine. It also entitles assessing the profitability of the existing products and services. So, controlling. So, in order to ensure the achievements of the intended results, management may monitor and adjust the subordinate actions. For example, they must limit the spending, examining performance in accordance to the predictable and objective of the strategies allowed for the identifications and verifications of the processes. Organizations have must have the harmonious relations with the employees for maintaining the better and planning. So, adjusting and planning. Strategic management is fundamentally concerned with the development of the long term organizational plan. This is similar to SWOT analysis, which analyzes potential threats and fresh possibilities that may affect the existing businesses. It also implies that changing the company's performance and it is not expanding in the appropriate direction in an important component of the positions. Planning, entitled defining the objectives and then dedicating to the actions required to accomplish these objectives. It demands managerial skills, particularly the ability to plan future actions. Plans covers everything from the broad objectives and the goals to the specific and how actions can be completed. So by managing the different strategies, and it can also have establishes the significant material human resources. Companies future planning is also an important functions of the strategic management. A series of aim and the a goal that a firm seeks to achieve. The motive strategic management ensures that organizations must have the strategic missions and go beyond the enterprises and other have the ability to increase the strategy and necessary activity to execute and implement them. Organizing. It is another important features. The management future that requires building a framework in which different persons can take a different position with the company. So when they have perfect organization planning, they can achieve all these strategies. Thank you.